Here's the General Electric dishwasher here. Yeah, it's a sheet of paper with this magnet saying dirty, so the inside is kind of dirty right now, which you know we will see. Yep. Has a pod in there, so since we are going to use it, here's the model sticker. This is model GDF610PGJ5WW. Seems ready to rock and roll. Here's the cycles. Got all sense, heavy, normal, light. We got steam. We got wash temp, bowl jets, heater dry. This one has display as well. You gotta start. You can actually hold this for 3 seconds. And now you can, well actually that's the cancel, but you can hold both of these for 3 seconds actually. Now you can do nothing. And you can hold this for 3 more seconds though. Now you can do something with it. Well, that's about it.